Additional internet marketing strategies. Email marketing. There are two main ways for you to generate an email list of customers that you can market to in the future. One is to create your own opt-in list of customer email addresses, and the other is to purchase lists of customers' email addresses from market research companies. Email marketing. The easiest way to get a customer to give you his email address is to offer him something in return. Some suggestions included a free report on something important to customers in your target market, coupons or other discounts, a newsletter that is full of information related to your site or topic, access to first-to-know information about your company such as special sales or promotions, tips or trends on the industry, a free code for your services, access to special areas on your website, any other freebie you can offer to your customers in exchange for their email addresses. Internet advertising uses the internet to deliver promotional marketing messages to consumers. Nowadays, people have a habit of searching for information about products and services via search engines. As web technologies evolved in the 1990s, internet advertising appeared as virtual equivalent to traditional marketing methods like TV and radio ads. In 2019, marketers expect that companies will spend more money on digital advertising than on traditional ads. Advertising on other websites. The ad will be a banner at the top of a web page or to the side of the web page and will be designed to entice the viewer to leave the site they are on and visit your site. Factors that will affect what you pay. First, the size of the ad that you choose. Second, the location on the page where you want your ad displayed. Third, the amount of traffic that the website receives. Fourth, the competition for ad space on that site. And last, the percentage of the time that you want your ad to appear. Pay-per-click advertising. These are the text ads that appear to the right of the search engine results or on websites that have monetized their sites by allowing advertisers to place ads on the site that the advertiser believes that the site's customer will be interested in. Pay-per-click is an online advertising model in which advertisers pay each time a user clicks on one of their online ads. Keywords work in pay-per-click, like for example, your business specializes in camping equipment. A user wanting to purchase a new tent, sleeping bag, or portable store might enter the keyword camping equipment into a search engine to find retailers offering these items. Affiliate marketing. You get other people to drive traffic to your site in return for a percentage of any sale that is made as a result of that visit to your site. It is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. Someone who does affiliate marketing is a salesperson for an outside company. As the salesperson, the affiliate marketer never carries any of the product himself. Instead, he sends people to the company, and when these people purchase something from that company, the sale is attributed to him and he receives a percentage of the sale. You can register with large affiliate marketplaces that help manage your affiliate programs for a fee. Some of the most popular include ClickBank, Commission Junction, Pay.com, Affiliate Marketplace, Click2Sell, and PayGive.